Hi, did you know this novel was adapted for the stage?
Really? That sounds interesting. And I've heard that the film was adapted from a popular book.
Yes, exactly. The film was adapted from a popular book.
Wait, why did you say adapted for in the first sentence and adapted from in the second?
Good question. When we say something is adapted for the stage, it means that the novel was modified specifically to be performed as a play. The preposition for indicates the purpose or use of the adaptation.
Oh, I see. And adapted from means?
Adapted from is used to show the origin of the adaptation. This means that the film was changed from its original form as a book to a movie. The preposition from indicates the source material that was changed.
Got it. So adapted from tells us where the new version came from.
And there's another preposition we can use with adapt, adapted with.
How does adapted with work?
Adapted with is less common, but it can be used to indicate the means or tools used to adapt. For example, the classroom was adapted with new technology to help students learn better.
So adapted with tells us what was used to make the changes.
Yes, precisely. It's all about the context and what you're trying to emphasize.
We often use adapt to when talking about adjusting to new situations or environments.
Can you give me an example with adapt to?
Sure, she adapted to the new culture quickly. Here, adapted to indicates that she changed her behavior or habits to fit into the new culture.
Wow, that makes a lot of sense now.
So we have adapted for to show purpose, adapted from to show the source, adapted with to indicate the means, and adapted to adjust to something new.
Exactly. Understanding these combinations helps make our language more precise and meaningful.
Thanks for explaining that. I feel much clearer about how to use adapt with different prepositions now.
You're welcome. I hope our viewers also found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.
And remember to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips and lessons. Both, bye for now.